All right, welcome back. So this is the chair that we are going to be reupholstering. You just saw that we went to IKEA in the last video, and we got those sheepskin rugs, the faux sheepskin rugs, and we're going to utilize those and reupholster this chair. Now, where did this chair come from?
This was at my dad's apartment, and I decided to renovate my dad's apartment a little bit ago and bring the chairs to River's warehouse. I was gonna sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Instead, we're flipping them, and we're gonna put them maybe in my living room.
We have some work to do. We have to go get some supplies first, and so let's go get going.
Let's do it. He's embarrassed. Again, he's always embarrassed to me.
So we just got to Home Depot. Now, what are we looking for?
We are looking for fabric glue as well as a paint, right?
Correct, yeah.
And we're doing a black finish on the legs. I think that'll look really good. We're also contemplating if we should keep it silver or maybe do a brass, but I think we're gonna go with black. I think that's gonna look the best, right?
I think it's gonna look the best, but we're gonna keep our eyes open and see what we like the most, so.
So they don't have the exact one River was looking for. I've seen people use the Gorilla spray adhesive.
The thing I'm worrying about is spraying this down and
What?
the cross legs, the pinkies out. So we're looking at the Gorilla spray adhesive. The only thing I worry about when you spray it, that it hardens and it could crackle or whatever the case would be, and that's not really what you want to do is when you're sitting down on furniture. So I'm not sure, we're gonna have to figure something out though. So they didn't have exactly what we were looking for. So there's an art supply store that's gonna have fabric glue and also the paint that we need. So we're gonna go there instead of Home Depot.
So you have the E600 at the warehouse, and this one is a spray alternative. So would that one be better?
This would actually work perfectly. Hopefully it pans out the way we want it to, but I think this is going to be working good. And just in case, we'll get another tube of actual E6000.
Amazing.
Boom.
The spray paint selection is endless. We decided to hold off on the paint, and we're actually just gonna try to stick with the original metallic legs for now.
Yeah. All right, we just got back from shopping. It took a little longer than we were expecting. Some of the stores didn't have the things that we needed, but we figured out, and I think we got what we really needed to get this project going.
I think the chrome might look really good. I'm excited to see, and so what's the first step?
We need to disassemble the chair, and we just need to start that process.
I am obsessed with the shape of this chair, and I'm excited to see it with a different fabric. We have sheepskin here from IKEA. We bought the other day, and we're going to kind of replace the red with this. That's the goal. And so yeah, I'm really excited, but I grew up with these chairs, so it's gonna be very interesting and funny to show my dad what they look like after too.
So we got the cushions all taken off with a lint roller to get all the hair and lint and any dirt off the chair. And then we're gonna put the faux rugs on, find out where we want them to be positioned, and then start stabling. While I'm doing that, Bella's gonna go over this with a magic erase little sponge and try to get all the dirt off and see if the chrome is savable.
These look like Pringles.
Now I'm hungry.
The shapes literally look like a Pringle. Pringle chairs. I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these magic erasers, but removes the toughest of stains. I use it on my wall all the time, so I'm gonna try to use it on the chairs and see how much it takes off. This thing is magic.
All right, so do you like the layout of that?
Yeah, I love it. I like the brown at the end.
All right. So let's get the first staples going. We're doing that around, gluing as we go to make sure everything is secured and not popping up. All right, now we're going to try to apply this glue. Hopefully it works. E6000 should work completely fine, but this, I've never tried the spray, but we're going to see how it works.
You look hot. So River finished his part of the chair and I'm still working on mine. I need to now take another piece of sheepskin and put it on the back and layer it. I use this glue, by the way. We switched the glues, and I'm trying to finish stapling this, but there's not enough fabric to really cover it, so it's been kind of a challenge for me, but I'm figuring it out. River came to the rescue. He's helping me with the back side of this chair, gluing it down. And then stapling the sheepskin on.
Going to roll it so it hides the seam, and so it'll look more finished and more clean, and when it's sitting you won't have that raw edge sticking and looking at you. So just a little trick to learn when you're doing something like this.
Babe, the Pringle is looking great.
You like the pring?
Wow. Babe, what do you think about wrapping the legs?
Absolutely not.
Boots with the fur.
Absolutely not. It looks like animals' legs, and I don't like that. That gives me like the
Thick?
the ick. Gives
Really?
the heebie-jeebies.
It's, yeah. Okay, scratch that. Oh my goodness.